Hi everyone, Bryan here from Cars. We're up here in our storage area where we put some of our classics and customers' vehicles. This one here is one we built last year for a good customer, John Lansing. This is a Tennessee truck that we put together over the summer, and he's really enjoyed it. We put it away for the winter for him. This is one of our customers' vehicles here that we put in storage. The SS454. It's a back half Pro Street style of truck that we've sold. The customer's coming to get it probably next week. Everybody's getting spring fever because the sun's going to be shining and the pavement's going to be dry. And it's a time of year where everybody wants to get their toys back out. So we walk back this way. This is another customer's trucks. Both of these are his trucks that we've got in storage for him. It's a nice 40 Chevrolet and his Ford pickup truck. That one over there is our little 71 Tennessee truck. That will be on the lot for sale. You'll see it. We're going to do a video exclusive on it. We'll get it back to the shop. This here is our 64 Pontiac Catalina that came out of Missouri. It's a 389 car. It's got the original patina. We haven't done any paint work or anything on it. We're looking for the right customer to buy this car because this thing is done from one end right to the other. Fresh motor, fresh tranny, suspension, brakes, wheels, tires. It will be up for sale. We'll do a video on it. This Chevy here belongs to our boss, Pat Buzzy. It's a 409 car. Beautiful stock original type of car, but didn't come with a 409, but we did all the numbers match work to it to make it look like an original 409. This is also one of ours. This is our 427 Bel Air. I think you've seen it on the website. It's a beautiful original car, not original 427, but an original Southern car that they put a 390 horse 427 in. So it's going to be up for sale too. So this just gives you a little taste of what we have in storage. We'll bring these vehicles out. Keep an eye to our channel, and we'll be showing you more in-depth detail of these vehicles and the prices. So this is just a little bit of a taste to keep you watching. So thanks for watching, and until we see you again.